Find the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence with the third term -12 and sixth term 96. So what do we know? We know our third term is -12 and our sixth term is 96. What we don't know is our r, and we don't know our first term. So I'm going to use the formula an equals a1 times r to the n minus 1 to get our nth term. And to find the ratio, I'm going to use r y minus x, r to the y minus x equals ay divided by ax. I'm not going to use r2 over r1 because we don't know the second term or the first term. So to find the ratio, I'm going to set y simply the subscript of a6, so y equals 6. And x is the subscript of a3, which is 3, so x equals 3. So now we just plug it into the formula. So r to the 6 minus 3 equals, and the ay is just 96, and the ax is just -12. So divide that by -12. And then r3 equals -8. So we got to solve for r, so I'm going to raise everything to the 1/3 power to get rid of that third power. So I'm going to raise everything to the third power, 1/3. So r equals -2. Good. So now we found the ratio. Now we got to find the an, but we don't know the first term, so I'm going to use what we have. So we know what a3 is, right? a3 is first term, which we don't know, so we'll just bring it down, times it by ratio, which is -2, to the n minus 1, which is n minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2, right? But now we'll just plug in what we know. So we know a3 is -12, right? So we'll bring down -12. Bring down a1 because we don't know what the first term is. -2 square is just +4. And then we want to solve for the a1 because that'll be our first term. So we're going to divide everything by 4. So our first term is just -3. So now we know the first term and we know the ratio. Now we can find the nth term. So an equals first term, which is -3, times it by ratio, which is -2, to the n minus 1 power. And that's how you find the nth formula, the nth term, for finding the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence.